Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a legend, the all-new 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This isn't your average Corvette. This is a beast, a machine built for pure, adrenaline-pumping performance. So, buckle up, gearheads and car enthusiasts alike, because we're about to dissect this American masterpiece. Let's start with that head-turning design. The Z06 takes the already stunning C8 Corvette and injects it with a dose of aggressive styling. The wider fenders, sculpted hood, and prominent front splitter scream power. Chevy hasn't forgotten functionality though. Those vents aren't just for show, they help keep this fire-breathing engine cool. And speaking of fire-breathing, let's talk about the heart of the Z06, the 5.5-liter, flat-plane crank V8 engine. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It's the first ever naturally aspirated V8 in a production Corvette, producing a monstrous 670 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. That translates to neck-snapping acceleration and a top speed that'll make your hair stand on end. But power is nothing without control. Chevy has equipped the Z06 with a sophisticated suspension system and massive brakes to keep you planted during those high-speed thrills. They've also included a driver-selectable exhaust system, so you can unleash that signature Corvette roar whenever you want. The Z06 isn't all about brute force, though. It boasts a surprisingly luxurious interior with premium materials and a driver-centric layout. The all-digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, while the customizable drive modes let you tailor the car's performance to your needs, whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a racetrack. Unique selling points. Focus on specific features. So, what really sets the Z06 apart? Here are a few things. The aforementioned flat-plane crank V8, it's a racing-derived technology that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The available carbon fiber wheels, they not only look incredible but also reduce unsprung weight for sharper handling. The removable roof panel, enjoy the open-air experience of a convertible while retaining the rigidity of a coupe. The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a symbol of American muscle pushing the boundaries of performance. Whether you're a seasoned track driver or a weekend enthusiast, the Z06 offers an unparalleled driving experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. It's not cheap, but for those seeking the ultimate thrill machine, the Z06 is a true legend in the making. So, what do you think? Is the 2024 Corvette Z06 your dream car? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. This prompt requires an image that you need to add. Tap the image button to upload an image.